What's up, everyone? We are back with back testing every single day until I'm profitable. Today is day 27. Damn. Alright, so Thursday the 19th. We got some news here. Just start by marking out. So we swept. Hold on. So we swept this high pre-market. ES is at all-time highs. So we have these highs. And yeah, that's really it for draws, because anything higher, there's no way there's no way we're hitting this one. We have a fair value gap here. Yeah. Not really much to work off of here. But we did sweep this high pre-market, so we could expect a little ERL to IRL to ERL. Alright, we're respecting this fair value gap right now. If we inverse this, okay, we inversed it, so we now have fair value gap here. I'll take shorts from here, targeting the fair value gap. Oh, sell. Right. So we're tapped in. Bro, like, I don't understand why. This is still my draw on liquidity. $15-minute highs here. So we have an SMT. Bearish SMT. We are in the macro. We inversed this fair value gap here. If we get a tap in, alright, well, idea was right. Um, this was the trade setup here, or the ideal one, I mean. Okay. So today is Monday. PMI at 9:45. All right, what do we have here? So we are respecting this fair value gap here. So my draw would be here or here. So we have these hourly lows here. We inverse this, and we broke structure to the downside, so maybe come down to here and to move us higher. 9:45 manipulation, boom. Alright, market's shit in the bed. 9:45 hits. Can we, like, do anything? Could we? Okay. Tuesday. Consumer confidence at 10 a.m. So, we swept this high pre-market, or overnight. So I'll be looking for this to get, this would be my draw. We are respecting these fair value gaps. So I would be looking for a long, potentially this fair value gap here. We already interacted with it though. Coming down and then moving up. That's what I want to see going into market open. So there's the move down. We have news at 10, right? Yeah. So maybe 10 a.m. news manipulates this low. Okay. So we inverse these two fair value gaps, so I would enter here, targeting this high. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so that's the low we wanted. All right. Oh, you're shitting me. Bro. Was there like an entry? It was here. Yeah, so it's always tough. So when we're close to another low, I should probably wait on the 5 minute for confirmation. But like when we sweep all the draws on liquidity for the day, then I could go to the 1 minute and look for an execution. But since we were so close to this low, I should have waited. Alright, so this is Wednesday the 25th. We have no news. Let me just clear my chart. So we're in a bullish trend. So we have these 4-hour highs, these 4-hour lows. What's this? These data lows, data highs, or you know what I'm saying. Right, boom, 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 right. Go to the hour. So we're bullish trend, broke structure here, inverted this fair value gap. And we're getting reactions out of it. So these are my draws here. So what am I looking for? A move down to manipulate these lows here, or this low to move higher. There is no news, correct? Yeah. Okay. So we manipulate higher. Can we take this high? On ES we did. ES we took both highs. Does NQ want to take? Okay, so NQ takes the high. Yeah, I don't know if I want to take this trade. I mean, so let's say we... There really wasn't a... well... That's what the trade would have looked like. But yeah, it's not really playing out. Yep, okay. So today is the 26th. Okay. So on the 4-hour, we are looking at these highs, these highs. But with this much news, we got to be careful, and there's a ton of fair value gaps here. I don't really like that. We have hourly lows here and here. Other than that, we really don't have much. ES is at all-time highs. We have these hourly lows here, but I don't know. We'll see. Okay, we're getting some manipulation to the downside. I like that. So our news, 920. Okay. Okay. So that brings us to Friday. We have minimal news. So the 4 hour, let me clear. Right, so the 4 hour, we have this fair value gap that we are in right now. We have these highs, these lows on ES. We have this same fair value gap that we are looking like we will inverse, but need more structure to see these lows, these lows. We are in an uptrend too. So we took out these highs here. So maybe ERL, IRL, ERL. Let's see. So we get the move down, the tap into the fair value gap. You're getting reactions out. So if we come back down to here, I will target. Okay. So we have an SMT. Okay. I should have waited for 10 a.m. Because we ended up not respecting this fair value gap, so our draw would be lower. And what do you know? Both TPs get smacked. Let's see what the entry was. Right here. So 10 a.m. we are respecting the fair value gap. So then we have the order block here, which we tap into multiple times. Stops above here, targeting here. That's unfortunately my bad. We also do have this fair value gap here that we could have taken a trade off of. Yeah. Tough. Alright, so now we are at Monday. I'm not trading Monday. Powell speaking at 2. Alright, decent news here. So we have... Dude, hold on, I have to pee so bad. much better. Okay, so we have these 4-hour highs here. These equal 4-hour highs. These 4-hour lows. These 4-hour lows. We are in a downtrend. Let's mark these ones too. Okay, so these 4-hour highs, these 4-hour highs, these 4-hour lows. Okay. Go to the hour. What do we got here? Similar structure. Okay. So I'm looking for shorts today. Oh, Tuesday the 1st. Yep, we got news. Okay, so this is when, whoa! 10 a.m. hits. So we would need an inverse of this fair value gap on the 5-minute. Okay, so we took all the lows here. We get break of structure here. Oops. Let's get a retrace to here. Okay. Wait, why did I take that trade? Okay, whatever. Wednesday. Okay. So we go to the 4-hour here. So we do have a big fair value gap here. Let's just mark that out. We have 4-hour lows here. That's really it for today. Right. Okay. So we do have an SMT at this high. We didn't sweep it on ES. We did on NQ, so my bias would be lower here. Maybe come up, sweep these relative equal highs here to move lower. Okay, we shit the bed. We sweep it on ES but not NQ, so we have no news, so we could. This is looking much better on ES, I'm not gonna lie. We have fair value gap here. We could take something like that. Shit. Come on. this is why we trade NQ. So we have our change and save delivery here, our tap in stops below this low, targeting here, boom. We also had an SMT. I know it's not the low, but it's a nice trade. Alright, and then we have Thursday. This is our last day. So we tapped in, we are getting a rejection off the fair value gap. So I'm looking, so this is my draw here. So I would look to sweep this high, tap into this fair value gap here. You know what I'm saying? Boom, lower. Get a little 10 a.m. manipulation here. So we take the high. We take both highs. Big leg down. So we inverse this fair value gap. So we get a tap in. We get below these lows, I'll take 50 off. Okay, I'm just going to take 50 off now. Stop to break even. Let's play it. Bro. Alright. I mean, does it hit take profit or... Come on. Alright, so maybe this was a little aggressive of a take profit. I would have at least... Right there. Alright, that is the last day here. So this is probably my last day on this session because we have the election coming up, and I just don't really want to deal with that price action. Those who traded through that know it was actually horrible. Yeah, so that will be it for today. I'll have it reset by the next episode. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.